Fasting, hands down, is one of the most powerful things you can do for your health. Now imagine this. If you stopped eating for 5 days, would you starve to death? Or would your body begin to heal itself from the inside out? Would your organs start shutting down, or would they start working better than ever? Today we're going to go deep into what really happens during a 5-day fast. Day 1, Day 2, Day 3, 4, and 5. And by the end, you'll understand why fasting isn't about starving. It's about activating your body's hidden repair system. Day 1, the switch turns on. When you stop eating, your body starts looking for energy. The first thing it taps into is something called glycogen, stored sugar inside your muscles and liver. Think of glycogen as little chains of glucose molecules, each one holding onto 3 molecules of water. As your body burns through that glycogen, that water leaves too. That's why many people lose 1 to 3 pounds of water weight in the first 24 hours. But something much more important is happening inside. Your insulin levels drop. That's the key. Insulin controls whether your body burns sugar or fat. And once insulin comes down, your body finally says, okay, let's start burning fat for fuel. So even though you haven't eaten, you're not really hungry, because your body is eating. It's eating your stored fat. This is why your appetite starts to fade away. Your body is satisfied. It's finally doing what it was designed to do. During this phase, it's essential to stay hydrated and keep your electrolytes up. Sea salt, potassium, magnesium, calcium. Drink water, black coffee, herbal tea, no sugar, no cream. Maybe even add a pinch of salt or a little lemon to your water. That's all you need. Day 2, entering ketosis. By the second day, your body is shifting gears. You're now entering ketosis, the fat-burning state where your body converts fat into ketones. Ketones are incredible. They're clean, powerful, and your brain loves them. You'll feel sharper, calmer, more focused. Your mood lifts. You can think clearly, almost as if a fog has been lifted. And this is also when something extraordinary begins. Autophagy. Autophagy means self-feeding. Your body starts scanning itself for junk, old cells, its damaged proteins, waste, and it recycles them for energy. It's like your cells are taking out the trash. And in return, they make new, healthy materials. This is one of the most powerful anti-aging mechanisms known to science. It's your body's built-in way of regenerating itself without a single supplement or pill. Day 3, deep ketosis and brain power. By day 3, you're in deep ketosis. Your brain is now fully running on ketones, and you feel mentally unstoppable. Focus, clarity, calm, energy. No crashes, no cravings. Inside your brain, a miracle molecule called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, starts rising. BDNF helps your brain make new neurons, improves learning, memory, and mental sharpness. In fact, fasting can increase BDNF by up to 400%. That's like upgrading your brain's operating system. But it gets even better. Your cells now enter deep autophagy. They start recycling old, damaged mitochondria, the little batteries inside each cell. Most chronic diseases, cancer, fatigue, diabetes, start with damaged mitochondria. Now your body is literally rebuilding those engines. And around the 72-hour mark, day 3, you get something remarkable, a complete immune system reset. Your body begins breaking down old, weak white blood cells and starts making new ones. Your thymus gland, which trains your immune cells, actually starts to grow again, something that usually only happens when you're young. Even your stem cells, those blank, versatile cells that can become anything your body needs, start waking up, ready to build new tissue. Your immune system is being reborn. Day 4, deep healing mode. By day 4, you've reached maximum fat burning. Hunger, gone. Your energy, stable. Your body, running like a machine. Inflammation drops dramatically. Your joints feel looser, your mind clearer. Autophagy is in overdrive, cleaning out precancerous cells, plaques in the brain, scar tissue, and cellular waste. Your longevity genes turn on. Your antioxidant systems activate. Your body begins to protect itself from the inside. Your gut lining finally gets to rest and repair. You see, your intestines are about 27 feet long and only 1 cell thick. Usually they're working non-stop, processing food all day. But now they finally get a break. Inflammation cools off. the gut wall begins to heal. Your microbiome, the community of healthy bacteria inside you, becomes stronger and more balanced. Your hormones also rebalance. Your thyroid slows slightly to preserve energy, perfectly normal. Your reproductive hormones take a pause again, just temporary. Your body is adapting, not shutting down. It's entering repair mode. Day 5, the rebirth phase. Now we reach day 5, and your body is running cleaner, sharper and stronger than it has in years. You've burned through toxins. You've recycled waste. You've regenerated new cells. And now, it's time to refeed. This is where you must go slowly. Your digestive system has been resting. Don't shock it awake. Start small. Have an egg with a little sauerkraut. Wait a few hours. Then a small bowl of soup, maybe avocado or berries. Don't rush into a heavy meal. It'll make you nauseous. Ease back in, and your body will thank you. And whatever you do, avoid sugar or refined carbs. They'll undo the benefits you've worked for. Instead, refeed with quality food, grass-fed beef, pasture-raised eggs, wild-caught fish, clean vegetables, healthy fats. Because now your body is like fertile soil. Whatever you feed it, it will use to rebuild you. This refeeding phase triggers something magical. A wave of stem cell activation and cellular growth. Your skin, your muscles, your brain all begin regenerating stronger than before. The truth about fasting isn't starvation. It's transformation. It's your body's chance to repair, reset, and rebuild itself. Something modern eating habits rarely allow. When you fast, you switch on ancient genes for longevity, DNA protection, and cellular rejuvenation. You're not just losing fat, you're regaining health. You're rebuilding a younger, stronger version of yourself from the inside out. Fasting is not a punishment. It's a gift, a tool your body has always had, waiting for you to use it. And the best part, you can start right where you are. Begin with intermittent fasting. Then, when you're ready, experience the power of a prolonged fast. Your body knows what to do. You just have to give it the chance. Because when you stop feeding it junk, it finally begins feeding you life. Fasting doesn't weaken you. It awakens you.